Meet Marlan, the bottom feeder gangster from Bakatel. Vote for him for president of Bakatel. Now, Bakatel is a country within a country within a division or a parish of a country is Bakatel country. And this man right here is the president of Bakatel. Vote for this gangster.
Over the weekend, the RSLPF, along with other law enforcement agencies, conducted an operation at Wilton at Trinidad operation. Over 7 persons were arrested for offences stemming from possession of firearm, possession of ammunition, possession of controlled drugs, and possession of intent to supply to another. Also, 2 individuals were arrested for robberies, and those robberies were committed using firearms. We have been having a lot of police operations around St. Lucia, and we would like to commend the citizens of the country for providing us with the information so that we could go out there and fight that crime, because without the help of the public we will not be able to get the information. So we'd like to thank them, along with some of our operations being intelligence driven as well. So we just continue to ask you, members of the public, to provide the information through our 555 hotline, and we could assure you that those operations will continue.
Well, I don't know, this is King Lazarus, and we are representing the fullest Jamaica first, country first, the #1 YouTube channel. Yeah, man, and I don't know, Countryman are the big man on the panel, representing from Jamaica to Trinidad, the Caribbean, and the whole world. Countryman don't want no more bloodshed, no we not send dead. A message we are send to all the kill them. No more bloodshed, no we not send dead. A message we are send. Hey, Countryman, tell them this, it's a state of emergency. The people need help urgently. Watch yourself when you're walking on the street. Broad daylight and gunshot a beat. It's a state of emergency. The people need help urgently. Watch yourself when you're walking on the street. Broad daylight. Hey. Well, I don't know, this is King Lazarus, and we are represent for Countryman Jamaica first, #1 YouTube channel. Make sure and keep it locked. Subscribe.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Now, only hear what the policeman just say. Him say him big up all of the residents them who is sharing information and helping them to solve crime. Well, Mr. Inspector, I am back again. It's me again. And I am going to introduce to you a set of characters and players and violence producers from a certain area, and I need you to go down into this area and clean it out. Now, most of the man them in that area that I am gonna reveal in a minute, most of them is murderer, killer, rapists, armed robberies, robber. Last but not least, the man them from the area, them said the police them are pussy, and the police them have the police in a them pocket. Everybody from that area knows this. So, Mr. Inspector, you have your work cut out for you. There is no way you can have these kind of rumors flying and you're not gonna scrub out them pussy there. But as me say, me I drop some name, drop some characters and I'm gonna keep it moving. And this video is to dismantle the pussy them down in the area where me go call. Now, you remember the jewel store robbery that took place, where I am sending you these guys down there. They're responsible for that. The jewelry robbery with the man from Trinidad. You remember the two guys them on bike riding and did some shooting in Castries? Two young youth responsible for that. A lot of the shooting you see going on in that little section that I'm going to reveal, it's the characters them that I am going to talk about is responsible for it. With that said, I have to big up the inspector. Him are the baddest police right now in St. Lucia, if not the whole Caribbean. Everybody look at this picture right here. This is Marlan. And Marlan is from Bakatel. And Marlan is the biggest gangster and the biggest murderer coming out of Bakatel. As a matter of fact, that boy him run top and bottom Bakatel, and him have an army of killers and assassinator and criminals ready to carry out him everyday work. Now, if you look at this picture right here, that's him and Duns Prince. You understand? T-Bar. So T-Bar, him is a part of this Bakatel gang, and him are one of the important players. I'm never telling you what part him play in this. So you may ask the officer to do. The officer search Marlan, the president of the country Bakatel, within the country St. Lucia, within the district or the parish. The officer search females. T-Bar, him is the next one. Him responsible for enough of the gun, him and Marlan, that's coming into Bakatel. Mr. Siobhan, you're not going to do the place justice if you don't shut down Bakatel. Now, you have Bakatel top part and bottom part. You need to do a dragnet from the top and the bottom, the middle on the side, and take your time and go through the whole neighborhood, because Marlan, the president of Bakatel, country within a district within a country, him have all of the youth them, his minions, doing his dirty work. Him is not only the president, of Bakatel, him is also a hood celebrity. Him is a hood celebrity. That's him and the DJ from Jamaica. If you don't know reggae music and listen to dancehall, you know who that. You understand? Him and the DJ entertainer there. Now, there was a situation happened not too long ago. You have a little pussy hole named So-So. Him run with Marlan. My Marlan do boy. Him keep a birthday party. And a peer gunshot the man them bake all night. Now the police did have a roadblock down at the top. I mean the bottom. That a bake all night fire. And the police them would never, ever go up there. But like I said earlier, what them should have done. Them should have definitely put a dragnet around the area. What make this bad and so bad is that So was at this party saying that Marlan is the president and his boss, and Marlan have all of the police them in his pocket. Now, that is a terrible thing for a dirty low bottom feeder gangster to be saying about the Royal St. Lucia police. There's another thing. Now, my intel tell me that this guy right here, Marlan, have a licensed firearm. And here say T-Bar also have a licensed firearm. How can these super criminals get licensed fucking firearm for walk around with in a St. Lucia? Can somebody explain that? So, Mr. Chevron Inspector, please check out these guys' licensed firearm, because them a deal with illegal gun and bring it in the country. Them a give the youths them gun to go do all sort of fuckery. Them a sell drugs, them a kill, them a this, them a that. Them a get government work. You understand? And them not doing anything progressive for St. Lucia. Look how much money them boy are make for Bacatalle and look at St. Lucia, look in the ghetto. All of them making money, you know. Them boy, we have all $500,000 live in a board house. And so them stay and they're not doing anything progressive for the community. Fucking sad. So, back to what I was saying, how them boy here can be allowed to have licensed firearm. Explain that one. Now, look on the boy. This is so younger brother. And believe you me, the intel I tell me said that boy is a hitman for Marlan. Now, look how the man them watch a don't hitman thing, dog. Remember back in the days when you had hitman, you know. Nobody no know, you know. But nowadays, everybody a hitman. Now, I want the police them listen to me, Mr. Chevron. You see the youth picture when I just show? Him is, from what my intel said, him is a hitman to Marlan. This is so younger brother Dwight. And it is alleged that him is involved in the murder of a youth named Black Cat. I want to follow me now. You see that youth here, Sean, aka Black Cat. Him get himself dust out by so brother Dwight. Now it is alleged that Sean, aka Black Cat, him get a firearm from a youth named C-Ray Lee. C-Ray Lee get dust out. But one of the Marlan man them did in a dance, a party, and the gun drop out of him waist. And C-Ray Lee get the gun. And end up give the gun to Sean. Them find out. So them dust out serially. And then them threaten Sean countless times. So them are gonna kill him for that gun there. I want to listen to me now. Countless times. It happened so that one day Sean was riding. But I have to stress, before I go any further, I have to stress, all of this are happening at Bakatel, you know. Anyways, them threatened Sean, and Sean wouldn't give back them machine. And one day I ride him bike and Dwight run out on him and dash him away. You understand? So I just make you know and I put the police them for notice for the murder there. You understand? Marlan and the man them, the minions, the president, gonna have to go down into Bakatel and wake up them boy, because as far as I'm concerned, them a disrespect the citizens of the country and them a disrespect you, the police. Now, I want to ask the police them one thing. Has anybody get arrested for Sean murder, aka Black Cat? When he was riding the bike coming through Bakatel? I can give you the answer to that. The answer is no. So what is this video about? This video is about dismantling the notorious president gang in a Bakatel. And me call him president. You understand? And me give him the name there. And the police them have to go down in there. Like I said, when you go down in the sun, you have to read a whole heap of rewards. Believe me. Listen to Countryman. Now, last but not least, you have a Jamaican judge that was doing her job in St. Lucia as one of the highest court judge. And I am not saying that because she's Jamaican. This judge, Miss Smith, is a very well educated and well esteemed lady. As a matter of fact, I like her. Yeah, I like her. I like her. You understand? Very beautiful lady, but something bad happened to that lady in St. Lucia. And it's been 15 years. And nothing has been done about it. And I am gonna dig up this case and I'm gonna ask the police, and let me say it again, I gotta ask the police what is going on with Miss Smith case, Judge Smith, because everybody know what happened, and for some reason nobody is talking. Wanna see how St. Lucia stay? Listen, my name is Countryman.